Welcome, brave soul. You are here in a sacred cave, hidden deep beneath the world. Stone surrounds you, stillness holds you, and from above you hear it, the sound of water, falling drop by drop into quiet pools of time. This place is ancient, sacred. It recognizes your soul. Close your eyes. Let the outer world dissolve. Bring your attention to your breath. Take a slow, deep inhale through the nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale gently through the mouth. Again, inhale, expanding gently. Hold. And release. Let's do this together. Inhale for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. Let each breath soften the tension in your body. Feel your shoulders melt, your jaw release, your belly expand. With every breath, you sink deeper into the quiet of this cave. Just beside you, the cave holds a small sacred pool. The water glows faintly with a soft blue light. It is calm, pure, and it's calling you. You move closer, you dip your fingertips in. It's cool, gentle, alive. You feel it respond to your touch. This is not ordinary water. This is water that remembers. Water that cleanses stories held too long. It is ready to receive you. As you step into the pool, allow yourself to fully arrive. Let the water rise up to your chest, your shoulders. Let it hold you. Now, with each breath, you begin to release. Inhale, bring in fresh energy. Exhale, let go of something heavy. again. Inhale, feel the breath expand inside your ribs. Exhale. Imagine it pulling something old out of you. Let your breath carry out memories you no longer need, emotions that were never fully expressed, stories that have run their course. Feel them rise to the surface like mist and dissolve into the sacred water. Each drop falling in this cave cleanses what you thought you had to carry forever. Stay with your breath. If any negative emotions arise, even sadness, even fear, allow them to be. Do not resist them. Do not judge them. They are part of the cleansing. They are what the water came here to carry. Simply observe them as if watching a current pass through the cave. Know that every challenge in your life has come to shape you, guide you, awaken you. In the school of life, everything is sacred. Purification is not forgetting. It's remembering without the weight. It's carrying your past, not as a burden, but as a softened part of who you are becoming. Let yourself feel that truth. Let it settle deep into your heart. You are safe to release. You are safe to breathe. You are safe to begin again. Now notice the stillness growing inside you. You've cleared space, and that space is sacred. Feel the water infusing you with light, with ease, with clarity. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. The cave seems to glow gently with your breath. You are not alone. You are not broken. You are becoming clear. Let yourself float, supported by the water, alive with breath. When you're ready, gently step out of the pool. Feel the water cascading down your body. Not just droplets, but stories washed away. You sit on the stone floor, still surrounded by the sound of water, still breathing, but lighter, calmer, more yourself. Place one hand over your heart, the other on your belly. Feel the quiet within. Take a final deep breath in. Inhale, feel your strength. Exhale, feel your softness. Now, gently repeat within. I let go and begin again. The past no longer defines me. Presence does. I release old energy with grace. I welcome clarity, softness, and truth. Let these words echo through the stillness. Let them settle like water into stone. Begin to bring movement back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Gently roll your shoulders. Take your time, and when you're ready, open your eyes. If you liked this meditation, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more calming and empowering sessions.